Hi there, students. A predilection, a predilection, a predilection. If you have a predilection for something, you like it a lot. You prefer it. It's something that you're really fond of. So let's see. I have a predilection for Oriental food, particularly Indian and Chinese. They're beautiful and spicy. He has a predilection for fast cars and fast women. Well, good luck to him. So if you have a predilection for something, you have a liking for it, a penchant for it. You've got a taste for it. You've got a preference for it. You have a strong liking for it. So he has a special liking for this. He has a predilection for this, a leaning towards it. It's something that he's really very fond of. She has a predilection for younger men, and he has a predilection for younger blonde women. To have a predilection for something is to have a preference for it. Is this something that you like? You have a tendency towards it. This is the thing that you would choose when you could, when you have a choice. So a predilection for something, a fondness, a preference, a liking, a partiality, a bias in favour of something. So I think I have a predilection for all things that are non-British. Okay, a preference, I like them. A predilection, an established preference for something. Yeah, this is something that you like. Okay, so my tutor has a predilection for perfect spelling. It's something he likes, and if you do it, it will you will get good marks. A child with a predilection for telling stories that are not true. Maybe you have a predilection for partying. You like to go out a lot, or a predilection for the theatre. Or maybe I have a predilection for this type of music. Okay, so a predilection, it's what you like, it's what you would normally choose. So a predilection for Heinz ketchup. Well, it sounds like an advertisement, but it's not. Okay, so you have a predilection for something. You have a very strong liking for it, a taste for it, a weakness for it. Yeah, he had a predilection for fast cars and slow horses. A bias. This is something that you like, a preconceived liking, a partiality, a preference for something, a bias, a weakness for, a partiality for it. I have a predilection for this type of music. Okay, I like it. It's something that you like altogether. You love it before even you hear it. You're already in favour of it, and this is the idea of a predilection. So yes, I have a predilection for hot, spicy food. Yeah, to have a predilection for philosophical ideas, a predilection for learning new things, a predilection for going to new places, a predilection for expensive clothes, a predilection for for expensive restaurants. You could have a predilection for gambling as well, I suppose. A predilection for vocabulary. Yeah, I think probably if you've got this far in the video, you do have a predilection for English vocabulary. So, formality, a predilection for, I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. Using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something formal. And then as to origin, well, it comes through Italian or through French, pre, before, and delesione, diligere in Latin, to love. So it's like a pre-love for something, and that's really the idea of it. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Predilection. A predilection for something.